This is the Air 1 Android 9 smartwatch. It comes in configurations of 32 gigabytes with 3 gigabytes of RAM and 4 gigabytes of RAM with 128 gigabytes of storage. You've got all your typical controls: Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, location, services, do not disturb. Your brightness is all on here, and of course cellular connectivity. Notifications sent from your phone show up there. Down here you got weather in your area when you're tethered to the server. You've got music that will play from the storage in your watch, and you've got your step count information that updates every day. In terms of your apps, they are all here, and your fitness activities are here. These do indeed integrate with GPS for your running, walking, and biking. You've got phone contacts and SMS that relate to the SIM card that you insert. There's no Bluetooth calling, of course, on this one or any Android watches. Your overall settings. Now you have heart rate as well as blood oxygen, last night's sleep time information, which will give you a beautiful chart, as well as a score and your breakdown. Really nice job implementing that. A breath training, inhale, exhale type of an app. Basic browser, a camera in the front, 2 megapixel for selfies and video conferencing, and a 5 megapixel on the side. Calendar, alarm clock, music, everything is typical standard Android stuff in this one. Google Play Store, the Watch Face Store with a variety of different faces now available on the server that are being updated regularly, including some really sweet anime type. They're available now. Even Face Unlock, which works on this with the front-facing camera to keep it secure if you want to. Very, very nice rubberized, really stretchy band on this one. 2 buttons. The camera there, the speaker here, the microphone there, solidly well built. It calls it lifetime waterproof. To me, it looks like it ought to be submergible. I'm not sure, but definitely don't dunk it in water until we know for sure. It's a really nice smartwatch. It's Android 9 again, and it's called the Air 1. Check it out.